Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make thumbnails for your edits in VideoStar. So let's just get straight into the video. So as you can see, I don't have any thumbnails on this lovely edit I made like last year, but yeah, we want to fix that. So what you're going to do is you're going to want to go to any part of your edit. It doesn't really matter as long as it looks eye-catching. And we are going to put our little place marker thing, I don't know what to call it. You are going to want to put it over the clip. So I like this part of the edit. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to press on this little camera icon right here and then check in this area, and it should send it to your camera roll. If you press on set thumb right here, it will set the thumbnail for your actual project in VideoStar to that, but it won't actually set the thumbnail for your edit. So press on done. Now press on new, multi-layer, then press on 1 and then just select your edit. Now press on 2 and then press on photo. Okay, so now once you have your picture, press on done, and then now press on 3, press on color, and then change the color to whatever you want. I'm personally gonna do white. Press done. Ooh, what happened? Now press on add mask, and we're gonna go to shape. Press on these 3 lines and then scroll down until you find this option. Now scale it all the way up using this slider and drag over until you see this. Now using 2 fingers you can zoom in even more. Oh no. If it rotates like that, you can just double tap the screen and it will revert back to normal. Just drag out until it gets somewhere like this. Press done, and then press on 3 and then press on edit keyframes and scale the size down a little bit. I'm putting mine at 75. Now press back and press on mirror, and you can select any of these options. I am going to press on this one. Okay, so once you have that, press on 3, press on edit keyframes, and then press over this direction once, and then slide the opacity all the way down to 0. Now press back. Now press on 2, edit keyframes, and then make sure the opacity is also at 0 on the second part, or the second, I don't know. Now you should have your thumbnail. Press create and wait for it to load. Press on done. And that's it, guys. Hopefully you guys found this tutorial useful. Like, comment, subscribe for more content like this, and I'll see you guys next week. Bye!